Hey everyone, and welcome to the Putty Mod YouTube channel. A lot of people have been asking me about, S2000 drive shaft. This is the Honda S2000 drive shaft and or prop shaft. And you can see that this one is not in very good condition when it came in, and this one fell apart while I was doing it. So this it's got a lot of miles on it, over 165,000. It just literally fell apart on me. And it's a mess. It was cooked. I got this one cleaned up. Sorry if I'm moving this video very quickly, but I'll try to learn to slow it down. You can see the boot is torn here. I'm going to imagine that this one is probably the same because these are very cooked bearings. This bearing will not, well, this one's moving now, but at first it wouldn't move. I actually cleaned it and then repacked it with fresh grease just to see if I could get it to move. And I have, but it does not move very smoothly. It's pretty crappy. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and rebuild this drive shaft. And this is what we're gonna be using here. This is a new bearing. Of course, it's in Putty Mod orange. New boot, and that goes down in like that. But anyway, and there's your new bearing. This thing's going to be pretty nice. On this video here shortly, but I just wanted to put it out there real quick, do this little short video, as if you have some vibration issues and it's not the axles, chances are it's going to be this shaft in the car. And you don't have to spend $2,000 or more to get a new shaft or take your chances on it. I've been repairing these things for several years now. I don't really advertise doing it. People ask and I'll go ahead and I'll handle it. But I found a bearing. I'm going to go ahead and use it. This is going to be the first one that I've done with this new style of bearing. And I'm going to get it out on the road, test it out, see how it goes, and let you guys know if this is a go. And if it is, this is an answer to fixing a very expensive prop shaft. Thanks for watching.